This episode, we'll be cooking delicious and nutritious winter melon fishball soup, catching our ingredients, and almost losing our pole in the process. So please stick around. We'll be targeting fresh o'eo, or commonly called bonefish, for our recipe today. But before you catch the bonefish, you must first catch the bait. The bait of choice today is fresh octopus. This is what fresh octopus looks like. Caught the same day, the skin is vibrant and continues to change colors. This is an amazing bait. And this is what previously frozen octopus looks like. The skin is a dull gray and not very appetizing. It's best to remove the skin before using it as bait. Otherwise, the octopus skin will become waterlogged and puffy. Now you're left with a skinless octopus leg, ready to be hooked and casted out. After casting the pole, I put on my lucky cowbell. It doesn't take long until the bell starts ringing and we're hooked up. As the fish nears the shore, it delivers some strong runs. I wonder what it could be. Oh yes, I see it. It's a decent sized bonefish. Exactly what we're after. Without a net, the situation is a little bit precarious. Wow, here we go. A beautiful bonefish, or o'eo. One of the slickest and tastiest fish around. It's so beautiful, I'm going to give back and release my first catch. Hopefully I can get rewarded with more. Let's hook up another piece of bait and try it again. Wow, it didn't take long for the fish to bite this one. I didn't even have time to put the bell on the pole. Again, as the fish gets closer to shore, it's putting up a good fight. What kind of fish is it going to be? Let's find out. It's getting closer. Oh, awesome. It's another o'eo. We released one and now we are rewarded with one. We'll take this one home for our winter melon fishball soup, so please stick around. Let's cast the pole out and try again. But wait! I make a costly mistake. The pole holder gets turned around, which puts too much strain on the connecting bolt. This is what the correct position should look like. You're gonna want to see what happens next. While I'm cleaning the fish, I hear the sound of my cowbell. I look up to see my pole fly into the water. Without hesitation, I jump in after it. This is what happens next. Now I realize I have my phone on me. I quickly throw it up on shore and start swimming after my pole that's getting pulled out to sea by a fish. I take off my sun sleeves and I just start stroking. I just don't want to lose my pole, that's all. I'm just trying to keep up with this pole that's swimming away from me. At last, I caught up to it. I set the hook and I feel something on the other end. Oh, when it feels big, whatever it is. Mind you, I can't touch the bottom. Water is over my head. I'm swimming backwards. I'm fighting this unknown fish that potentially could be a shark. I don't know what to think right now. finally feel something underneath my feet, but unfortunately it's a live coral head that I accidentally stepped on. Please don't step on live coral. All I'm thinking is this is going to be a huge fish or one big shark. Please don't be a shark. By now I'm getting a little tired. I just got to get to the shore. Now I can feel the bottom. The fish is still on. What on earth can this be? There it is. What is it? It's an eel! Wow, what the heck? And it's not even that big.
Oh, I can't believe this guy pulled the pole in the water. Snapped the pole holder. Hopefully my phone's okay. Phone looks good. Oh, jumped in the water with the bag, with the phone. Oh, wow. I thought that was gonna be Ulua. Oh, how's that? Pole in the water. Onio io though.
Well, I thought it was gonna be a monster of a fish. It just goes to show how strong these bonefish really are. We'll take this one home with us. First thing I did when I got home was to clean my reel. Immediately after that, I grabbed my dive mask and headed back to the same spot. Remember my lucky cowbell? Well, I lost it when the fish pulled the pole into the ocean. And now I'm out searching for it. I literally swam around 2 hours looking for that lucky cowbell. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it. But I did find this, a bag of rice floating. I wanted to properly dispose of the plastic wrapper and also feed the fish. But the fish weren't showing up to eat. Fish normally love rice. Now that we worked up an appetite, let's cook. Start by filleting each side of the bonefish. With a spoon, scrape the meat off the fillets from a tail to head direction. Place in a bowl and pick out any bones. Now you're left with a fish paste. Amazing as is, but if you want to take this dish to the next level, add ground pork. Mix until combined. Add water into a pot. Gather the ingredients. Small piece of dried kombu, peeled and chopped ginger, dried bonito flakes. Add the bonefish head and bones. Cover and place on medium heat. Gather 1 large egg, minced Chinese parsley and green onion. Check on soup. Add Chinese parsley roots to soup so you don't waste nothing. Place our ingredients into the fish paste. Salt and pepper to taste, mix with hand. Form into round bite-sized balls. Now look how delicious that looks. We're almost done. We didn't use all the octopus for bait. We'll eat it as a side dish. This is the highly nutritious winter melon. Purchased whole or in cut pieces, this melon is amazing, packed with antioxidants. Simply remove skin and seeds, cut into pieces. Soup has been boiling on medium heat for an hour. Strain into a bowl. Now we have a delicious soup base. Do you see the oils glistening? Place soup base back into a pot. Add the cut winter melon. Bring to boil. Add those lovely fish balls. Boil for 3 minutes, turn off the heat and cover. Look at this delicious soup. The taste is light, yet filling. The fresh bonefish adds sweetness, while the ground pork brings a richness to this dish. And all those flavors infusing into the winter melon, which has a neutral flavor by itself. The octopus side dish is ready, recipe in description. There we have it, folks. Winter melon fishball soup served with steamed brown rice, accompanied with octopus salad and sauteed mushrooms. Don't forget to subscribe.